Good afternoon, guys. Again back with another Sunday session of Do It Yourself project. Today I will be upgrading or changing my horn of Ford Fiesta Classic. This is actually a horn change or upgradation procedure. For the last few days, one of my horn is working sometimes and some of the times it's not working. So I will open the system, diagnose the horn, and if I find that for a better practice, I feel I should change the horns because already the horns are 9 years old. Now in modern cars, most of the horns are behind the front grille and behind your bumper, so you need to open that. In case of Fiesta, one of the horns is here, so once you open the grille, for this I have brought some Phillips head screwdrivers. While you remove the grill, you have to be careful as this release lever is within the grill, so you have to remove it very carefully. So I have removed it. Located over there. So for this, I think I need to open the bumper. So let's see if I can open it. So for this I required a number 13 spanner. This is a odd size. So I have able to loosen the screw. There lies the screw. There is the screw. Okay. So I am opening up. So this is the horn. This is the screw. Preserve it carefully as this type of screws are not available in the market. Now since this is an OEM horn, it has been fitted with the help of a coupler, and while if you install a aftermarket horn, it won't support this type of coupler, so you need to change this. So this type of coupler will not be available in the market. So I will require to make a traditional type of connections by crimping these two wires with the help of a horn clip that I will show you. Now I will open the other horn. That horn is below this particular headlight. There lies the other horn. This also I need to remove in the same process. Stubbornly fixed, so let me apply some WD-40. Let's wait for some time. So let's remove it also. Okay, so I have removed both the horns. These were the original Ford make horns. These were practically imported horns. It was Fiam make. That's an Italian horn company. Now I will install a new horn. I have procured two horns. These two particular horns were lying at my home. These are Hela make. These horns I had in my earlier car, which I had replaced it with a different horn. So these two horns are brand new. They are lying in my cupboard, but before installing it I will check whether they are working or not, because these horns are lying for the last 6 years. So let us check whether the horns are working or not. We'll check with the battery to check whether they are in working condition or not. ঠিক আছে. So it's working. Now I will have to make that arrangement so that I can connect these two particular horns with this particular connection. I won't totally cut off this particular. I'll just crimp. Let's check the connection. Okay, so this horn is working. Now we'll fix it up and then we'll go for the next horn. Before that, let me tape it off, because since these are all electrical points, proper taping is very important. Fasten the wires with the help of wire fasteners so that it doesn't dangle. This horn seems to be in good condition. Let me check. এখন গাছ ছেড়ে দাও চলে ঠিক আছে. So this horn is in working condition, so I will fix it up. In this case I won't change it. I will refix the old one. Now refix the headlight. You have to do it very carefully as the spares are not that much easily available, so utmost care is necessary. Since the car is old, utmost care is to be taken so that nothing gets broken or anything like that. Now let's tighten your bumpers. Now fix up the grill. Remember, you need to insert this particular groove with this particular opening lever. So that is the correct way. So finally I have fitted all the what I have opened so far. The horn has been successfully fitted. Let me again switch on the horn. So both the horns are working perfectly. The hands are very dirty, you see. So in this way, if you are ready to accept this dirt and grime, and in this way you can easily change or upgrade your horns. So you need not go to any garage or anywhere to do this. You can buy these horns online or you can buy from any local shop, and this is a really enjoying do it yourself job on a Sunday. Thank you very much, and if you have liked this video, please do subscribe. Thank you very much and goodbye. Do subscribe.